I funded a couple wallets with crypto and I'm going to give it away to you. And the way I'm going to do it is by giving you my seed phrases. Actually, I'm going to give you my seed phrase. And this is the last thing that you want to do when you want to protect your crypto. The last thing. But in this case, I don't actually want to protect this crypto. I actually want to give it away to you guys. And I'm making this video as a fun giveaway. But at the same time, I'm making this video to bring up a serious issue. And that is, if you have never restored a crypto wallet, I definitely would recommend that you go ahead and practice. And you can even do this with a dummy wallet. When we use these self-custody wallets, we are fully responsible for our crypto. If something happens, no one is going to save us. So when using these self-custody wallets, it is very important to know how to restore them, and every wallet will be a little different when restoring. You can do this with a dummy wallet. Let's say you already have a wallet set up on your browser. Go ahead and download it in a new browser, whether it's Brave, or Chrome, or Firefox. Download metamask, Roth, Phantom, create a wallet, don't even fund it. Keep it empty, delete it, and then go ahead and restore it. Make sure to practice. So I'm gonna give you seed phrases for wallets so that you can go ahead and practice yourself. And make sure that whenever you are restoring a wallet, you are going to the correct link. So metamask.io, yoroi/wallet.com, phantom.app. Make sure not to go to a phishing link, and also it's very important to know how to restore a hardware wallet as well, such as a Ledger or a Trezor. We make these wallets and then we fund it with a large amount of crypto or maybe NFTs, yet we've never practiced actually restoring it. What if your computer breaks? What if your phone breaks? What if the wallet breaks? You must know how to restore it. So let's first start off with a Phantom wallet. I funded it with $100 worth of crypto, and I'm gonna give you the seed phrase. And something that I want you to know is as soon as whoever it is gets into that wallet, make sure to send it off the wallet. Because once you give out seed phrases, that wallet is forever compromised. Sometimes I get this question from people who unfortunately had their wallets hacked. They say, my seed phrase was leaked. What do I do with the wallet now? And the answer is nothing. That wallet is forever compromised. Never use it again. So these wallets that I'm going to give to you guys, they are forever compromised. If you get in first, send it off the wallet. So with Phantom, there's $100 on this wallet, and it's a 12-word seed phrase. I'm going to give you the first 8 words in order. So the first 8 words are in order, and the last 4 words are out of order. This is very important for seed phrases. They must be in order. And sometimes when people create a wallet for the first time, they may not pay so much importance to this. It needs to be in order. If one word is out of order, you will not get into that wallet. So I gave you the 8 words, the first 8 words in order, and the last 4 words are out of order. We'll see who gets into that wallet first. Send it off right away. And also I have a full entire security and scams playlist that I definitely would recommend. Maybe today go ahead and pick 1 or 2 videos. I'm gonna leave a link for this playlist in the description and down below. Just one of these videos, maybe 2 of these videos can potentially save you from getting into a scam in the future and losing thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and maybe even millions of dollars in the future. Now, the second wallet that I funded was a Yoroi wallet with $100 worth of Cardano. Over here, the seed phrase is 15 words, right? So every wallet is a bit different. Some are 12 words, some are 15 words, some are 24 words. This is why it's very important to get used to understanding these wallets and restoring these wallets. So with Yoroi, it's 15 words. I'm going to give you the first 11 words in order, and then I'm going to give you the last 4 words out of order. So go ahead, hopefully someone gets into that wallet. And I often have giveaways on my Twitter and my Instagram, very often. Sometimes it's just random. I'm at my computer, I want to give away some crypto. I post a question, first one to answer it, first one to comment gets crypto. So go ahead and follow me on social media. And also, I made a very important video yesterday about NFT taxes for 2021. If you have not seen that video yet, go ahead and watch it right now, link right above and in the description down below. Be safe out there, have a great day. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.